Thanks. Par ordre alphabétique. Réalisatrice, comédienne, palestinienne. Elle a été souvent présente sur les écrans à Cannes. If you need this, you can use it. OK. On l'a vue récemment dans La Source des femmes. Elle était à Cannes dans Free Zone. Madame Hiam Abbas. Un film de Pedro Almodovar, Monsieur Jean-Paul Gaultier.
Feels very good. I mean, I don't feel like I'm in any, like some position of great, power. There's no revenge feelings of in this. It's just a celebration of film. And I mean, my one thought that could be complicated is is being able to separate the awards from the best performances. We have to come up with best actor and best actress. I don't know. It might be very, very complicated. That might be much harder for myself as an actor than it would be to feel that this is the best movie. But I don't think there's any, as you might suggest, sort of feelings of being on the other side of the fence or no.
I feel like as actors especially, we get to see 20 or 22 movies that are in competition, and it's sort of, we all love movies. We're all here today because we're film lovers, and the language of cinema is the one that unites us all, and we're here not to say, well, this was bad or this was better. It is to appreciate out of this very small selection of so many films that were put into this pot to say, wow, this person or this director or this script really stood out in comparison.
Thank you. Madame e monsieur.
Queste sono le parole che ognuno di noi dice avant le festival, prima del festival. Poi ci saranno i 22 film e le nostre diverse sensibilità che si confronteranno. Ecco, quindi ripeto, la cosa molto bella è che siamo tutte persone senza pregiudizi e molto aperte nei confronti dei film che vedremo. No, mi sembra un po' tutti amano quei film che li sorprendano, ecco, volevo forse dire questo, ecco, perché alle volte vediamo dei film che abbiamo l'impressione di aver già visto centinaia e centinaia di volte, ecco.
Madame du jury, vous avez fait connaissance ou
I think like the one of somebody from the public that love movies, which is very pleased to see all those ones. So I will give my humble advice only of what I love. I didn't. I like so. That is like normal reaction. I think like everybody when you go to cinema, you critique. You have a sense of critique. Are they good or bad? Depends. Sometimes you don't feel anything with one movie. Sometimes you remember and you want to say absolutely, oh my God, it's so beautiful. And it can be inspiring too. So I will share my reaction when we will see.